Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to uninstall TotalAV Antivirus. First, make sure TotalAV is completely closed. Check your system tray and task manager to end any running processes. Having administrator rights is crucial for a smooth removal. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to save your work and close other applications. This helps prevent any interruptions or conflicts during the uninstallation process, ensuring a clean removal. Next, let's use the built-in Windows uninstaller. Open your computer settings, then go to Apps and Features. Scroll down until you find TotalAV in the list of installed programs. Click on it and select Uninstall. A wizard will guide you through the steps. Make sure to follow all instructions carefully to ensure the main program files are removed effectively from your system. Even after the main uninstall, some leftover files might remain. It's a good practice to manually check common locations like program files and app data for any TotalAV folders. You can also use a trusted third-party cleaner tool to scan your system. These tools can often find and remove small, lingering files or registry entries that the standard uninstaller might miss, ensuring a thorough cleanup. To finalize the process, restart your computer. This helps clear any temporary files and ensures all changes take effect. After restarting, quickly check your desktop and taskbar for any lingering TotalAV icons. Also, revisit Apps and Features to confirm TotalAV is no longer listed. This final verification step ensures the antivirus has been completely and successfully removed from your system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.